Kamusta? My name is Rachel and I'm here in Finland. I show you some of differences about Finland and Philippines. Go! Most of the people here in Finland, when they go to sauna, they use this one they call vita. This tree, first tree, they cut it this one and they made for this and then they beating you sauna just like this. I'm not sure, maybe you just tell me what is the purpose of this one.
You will see.
You will see. Bye bye. See you in sauna. Go sauna. Go sauna. Go sauna. 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 Sauna time. Let's go. Oh, unbelievable. It's hot. I'm happy, but I'm burning. My skin is very red. Part of the business here in Finland, so accept the challenge. I'm so happy because at least I experienced this kind of sauna experience here in Finland. So it's my first time, so I need to do this, but I love it. Thank you, Finland people. Here in Finland, they recycle almost everything. And it's my first time in my life to return cans in supermarket. At the same time, you earn money. There are also recycled batteries here in Finland. In Philippines, we're suspicious about broken plates and glasses. If we find in a kitchen, we smash it and throw it. If you didn't throw it away, it means bad luck. But here in Finland, it's totally okay to fix it. It's normal to them to use it again, the plates. By the way, this is a wonderful invention here in Finland, invented by a woman last century. And this is dryer and the same time it's cabinet. Many countries, also in Philippines, we dry first the dishes and then after that, we just put in the cabinet. It's wonderful. In Finland, all the kitchen, they have it, this kind of the system, combined with dryer and on the same time, it's cabinet. Bye! One thing I was confused about visiting here in Finland. When I saw this in each room, I thought this was a folding table. But it's turned out this is a heater and radiator to give warmth in each room. And guess what? This is the burning room. And this is the machine to heat the water and circulate to each room to give it warm and hot. Just one thing I didn't expect when I'm visiting here in Finland in summertime. Guess what time is it? It's almost midnight. It's 11:22. In Philippines, also in Dubai, 6 o'clock is dark. But look at here, so beautiful in sunset. Bye! Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Salamat po. Thank you so much. And Kitos Palyon.